In this video, you will learn how to use that read with me video. This is kind of like a video instruction. I didn't want to include it in the read with me video because I want you to use it as many times as you want to without having to scroll up or scroll down or anywhere. Just press play. So my name is Katja Severson. I'm the inventor of the Severson method. It's a scientifically proven way to learn anything fast. And today I'm going to share with you a method that I teach all of my students, that are my private students, who find themselves running out of time on the SAT's reading section. So if you don't have any extra time on the SAT, then you only have 12 minutes and 20 seconds to read a passage and answer 10 to 11 questions. If you're consistently running out of time, the only solution I have for you is train yourself. The assignment I often give to my private clients is to read a passage every single day within 12 minutes and 20 seconds. The idea is the following. We want your brain to know exactly how long you have. Because when you're on the test, and let's say you're confused by some difficult vocabulary or some syntax, or maybe a question that you find complicated, your brain will make you take longer. Your brain will rationalize and say,
listen, we need to spend some more time on this sentence or on this question.
You need to train your brain. You need to train your instinct that you don't have more than 12 minutes and 20 seconds. That 12 minutes and 20 seconds is all you have. You can't take 16 minutes. You can't take 15 minutes per passage. You only have 12 minutes and 20 seconds. So here's the simple process. Print out a passage that you have not read yet. Find a quiet place. Put your headphones on. Turn off all of your notifications. Find the YouTube video, read with me, and press play. As soon as you press play, the timer will start, and it will guide you through the 12 minutes and 20 seconds. Every 4 minutes, you will hear like a slight beep. It's not going to be too loud or too disturbing. Every 4 minutes, you'll hear that beep. That means you need to be going to the next portion of your reading passage. The way I like to break up my 4 minutes is unique to me. It works for some of my clients, but you are welcome to do what is best for you. It's just very good to know how much time have passed. And the 12 minutes and 20 seconds, they divide very nicely into 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. What I like to do is I like to read the blurb, preview the questions, and then read the passage in the first 4 minutes. I spend some time maybe annotating it, writing some things on the margins, but not an essay on the margins, just a few notes, maybe an arrow, maybe a letter. Then next 4 minutes, I spend answering the first 4 or 5 questions. And then when I hear the second beep, I know that I need to go to my last 4 questions, 4 or 5 questions, or sometimes it's 6 questions. And then when I hear the last beep, I know I only have 20 seconds left. So let's say I did not answer the 3rd question. I just circle letter of the day and I move on to the next passage. And then if you want to, you could print out another passage and do it again. The best results I find is when you do this repeatedly over and over again. Once a day, you read a passage in 12 minutes and 20 seconds. And then your brain will respond. Your brain will adjust. Your brain will learn that you only have this time for a passage, and taking longer is just not an option. I hope you enjoy this and let me know how it goes. Bye.